Welcome everyone back to my channel. This is Dr. Brenda Mondragon.
This is the problem now.
I generally don't try to fix unless it needs it. I don't try to like mess around with it.
Cool,
Unless you want me to.
No, I trust you.
I always tell people, tell me the thing you want me to break down so that your body can go and build it back up again.
Okay.
So that's basically what I do is I break down things.
Break this down.
That one, okay.
Yeah, break this one down. But sometimes I feel it tingle, even when I'm leaning back with the dumbbells, it tingles and it goes up.
Pulls.
Like it's sore and hurting most of the time. And I kind of get some relief and my neck cracks when I kind of pull one of these. Occasionally it'll pop, pop, pop.
It sounds like a pinched nerve, either in your neck or in your brachial plexus. Anytime, now the body is designed, it can go overhead like that. But if you have a compromised nerve and you do anything like this, or you pull on that cable, because it's basically a cable that goes down from your neck down your arm, organic cable. And anytime there's a compromise somewhere, any stress along that cable, you're gonna feel it. So I have to find the origin. Usually it's in the neck, not always. Sometimes it's where you said, the pec, or sometimes it's multiple places, and I gotta go release multiple places. Give me an hour after this to just not pop anything. Okay. A little swollen little ear. Does that hurt when I do that?
It doesn't feel good.
Where does it feel? Where do you feel pain?
Can I lift it again?
Just in the front? Relax your arm. I think it's when I do it passively. Yeah, it's when I do it passively.
Oh,
And
was
you're-
that passive?
Yeah. Well, active would be, hey, take your arm up. Would you feel it if you did it yourself?
Yeah, I still feel it, but not as bad as when you do it.
Right. When it's passive, I'm doing it for you. So right, and I'm not going to do it to you, but it's right here, right at end range, 90 degrees here. Nothing here,
Oh, good.
and then here.
That's
Arm behind your back. Does that hurt? Having to mess with it here.
That's
Where?
Yeah.
Okay, so you might have some rotator cuff stuff going on, okay? I don't feel any crepitus though in his shoulder. Like crunchies, like, and is that really sore? In particularly?
That feels good right there, but it's not sore, does it?
Okay. Here's left. Here's right.
At the top, the right side.
It's the whole thing on the right. That whole thing. Okay. I think I know what's going on. Here we go. It's this little guy right there. I don't know if you can see this on the film. Pretty big knot right here on him. As you can see, it's all the way up into his scalenes here. This feels actually really good. This all feels really good. And then we get to right there. And he feels it too. Of course. It's right there. Not real bad.
Not real bad, but I feel it.
Okay. Let me adjust it. It might make it feel a little better so I can get in there. There you go. First adjustment from me. A little bit. Did that hurt at all? Okay, so think thoughts right here. Excellent. Did you hear that nice? That's high. That's right under the skull. I don't get those lower guys. Leave those alone. Oh, that you might have already gotten. Yeah, I think that one's already gone, but I'll try my best to get that top one. Right here, relax. No, that one's, you've already popped that one. That's okay. That one, there's no gas left. There's nothing left up there. I'm hitting like a solid wall. Doing okay? Did that feel all right?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Okay, here we go. Good. Excellent. Some of the pronation of your feet are just, it's making these guys harder for me to get, but it's, I think, pretty balanced. I mean, I can always make them go, but I'm just trying to see with just a certain level of pressure. Okay, so that's just, especially these toes, they're like a little longer than the first one. I have the same thing, and so we tend to place weight right here. Very good. Pulling now. Okay, knees, we're gonna do the knees. And I'm just checking your joints here. Everything feels okay so far. Everything feels pretty solid. A little loose here in this right knee. Kind of like the toe. All right, you're gonna be shirt off, if that's okay, and on your stomach. It's just minor subluxations. Nothing real major here, okay? This side is higher than this side. So I'm only gonna do this top piece. It's sore, remember from when we were on the back. It'll be real fleeting and then it'll go away, okay? Take a deep breath in. And out. Very good. And here. Good, they're all popping. Right side lateral curvature. Take a deep breath in. I'm gonna go pretty hard on these, okay? Deep breath in. Excellent, excellent. And pull on the skin. Nice. Not too many adhesions here. That's good, excellent. That was the fun part, now comes the hard part. So if you want me to stop, if you need a timeout, you let me know, okay?
My safe word is more.
More, oh shoot, don't say that. More. Here we go.
Fuck it out.
Here we go. Pretty sore, huh? That too much? Too ticklish?
It's really sensitive.
I don't have to use this thing. How about that? I'm just gonna press. Trying to drive the ribs down. This is one side of that problem in the shoulder. It's just the rolling. The only part I really want to roll on is this one. It's letting go. You're doing good. Okay. Feel oil. Got a lot of work to do here. I'm kind of aggressive. Just letting you know, I'm not nice.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm mean sometimes. So just tell me, like, hey, I need a timeout, I need to breathe. It's getting to be too much. There you go.
Oh, so crunchy. What is that?
This here,
That's why is it crunchy?
adhesions, you know, when it's normal. I try to smooth those guys out, okay? But it takes me a while, it doesn't happen overnight. Now I'm gonna do your good shoulder, okay? I'm gonna go underneath this wing here. There you go. There it is. Okay, done. Let that one go. And there we go. Excellent. And this is a good side, okay? I'm gonna go really carefully on the left.
Okay.
I'm kind of, now you know where I'm going with this, okay?
All right.
First I'm gonna push down here. Just with my elbow like this, push. One step up from the roller thing. How is this? This is can,
You're good.
okay. Oh, wow. It's all just lifted. It's been separated. The whole trapezius muscle has like come off. That's why it's so dang sore. Look at that. It's this whole band right here of flesh. I can almost get my finger underneath it. See that? It's not separated like that over here. Yeah, it's like totally been torn there. No wonder it hurts. So the only option is just to kind of tack that back down, okay? Gonna kind of, you know, come in from the side here from the acromion process, the AC joint here, and I'm going just tack that back down from lateral to medial here.
Pressure feels good.
Yeah, because that's where it needs to be. It needs to be held down. It takes, like, if you were to, when you see your video, you're gonna see I'm like on the floor pushing it down. It takes quite a bit of strength and dexterity and knowing how to do that to give you this. Because anybody can go through here and kind of
Right.
mess around. I want pressure right there. And here's the last one. Right there at that center. Tell me if it's going down your arm. If it's not, then you're fine. I'm just gonna stay here. Till either one of you or me taps out.
Don't make me laugh.
Sorry. Then it bounces and you're like, ah!
Oh.
Okay. That's it. Oh, there it goes. Okay, here we go. Take it up and around, up and around, up and around. Excellent. These are nerves in here, and people think it's muscle work. I'm like, muscles just get in the way. I'm aiming for the nerve. There you go. Nerves and bones. Yep, this SI joint's locked. It's okay. We're gonna unlock it. Doesn't feel too great. Feels good when I stop. Feels good when it's all over. There we go. I know. But this part's never gonna let go once I get this to open up. Here we go. I got it in the corner. Here it is. Perfect. Excellent. Good. Let it go. Okay. All right. Hardest part's over. So just more. And here we go. Here, this is just a edge of steel, okay? And I just running it along. And whatever's down in there comes up to the surface. Doing okay? Is that all right?
Oh yeah, it feels good.
Okay.
It looks horrible, doesn't it?
I know. You're not too bad. Well,
Does it get itchy?
yes, it can.
Okay.
I always tell people put some arnica on or aloe vera, stuff to soothe the skin. Creams, I never have any luck with creams. something in the lipid, whatever they use in the cream. People just itch. Like get a gel. I got it on here. All right. I gotta remember to breathe myself.
Mm-hmm.
So I could pull out from over there. Yeah, there it is. Relax this if you can. Yep, you're doing good. People, when you're trying to help other people, you got to spend the time on yourself.
That's why I came from Tampa.
Yeah, it's a hard thing to find. But, or just to even, whenever I get worked on, they're like, tap out, time out, clock out, Brenda. I have a hard time just accepting it, but you're doing great. Doing
A
great.
little self-care. Who knows? I might go get a mani-pedi after this. You
Well,
never
whatever.
know.
I bet your daughter would love that.
She would.
Why not? I take, whenever I go, I'm like, sorry, Diego, those nails are getting clipped.
Mhm.
And he's like, oh. But he did it. He got it. Take your time. You're going to be a little sore.
Indeed I am.
Yep.
Which way you want me facing?
Facing the windows. Push that in. I still have to work on the front pec here. You must work on yourself here a little bit.
I try, but I just do it intuitively. I don't know.
Okay, because it's pretty cleaned out. Well, no, there it is. Just not too much of it. You've gotten most of the layers out. There's just like one in here. And then arm across your chest for me, right there. Yep, we're gonna get to the back part here. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Feels interesting. Here we go. Relax. It's just lifted. So I come in here, take the muscle, try to push it back down.
That's weird.
Yeah, it's in there. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take each little thread, each little muscle fiber here. Okay, push it back down. Yeah, I'm sorry. You want me to give you a break? I'll.
Yeah, no, we're good. It feels right in a painful way, you know.
Yeah, I've got it hooked on in the back. You know, we just are trying to approximate it as much as I can, but this is literally the least painful way that I know how to do it.
Good.
There it goes. It's right here. Let me see if I can release it. This is the most painful one. It's right there in that corner. doing much better than me. I'm like, the whole time I let him have it. No mercy. That's pretty good. There you go. Okay, it looks pretty good. You do have some weakness here in this anterior delt. Medial delt looks great, posterior delt looks great, anterior delt right here. And then elbow back. Excellent. Perfect. Sorry. It's right there. Perfect. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do on that joint. Now I know you like these all twisted, but these guys, they move just fine. I can tell like where you get them, and they're actually more mobile than I thought they would be. Come on up, see how it feels. Take your time. I don't really know what much more to say, you know, it's like, well, see how your body feels. You're like, I feel like a truck ran over me. What does it feel like?
Yes, I mean, I feel good. It feels good. It feels, I feel aligned. I mean, I feel a little sore in the problem areas, but I feel good though. Feels good.
You just get a fulcrum. It's just a wedge, okay? And you're coming back. You're gonna lay down on it. Yep, you're gonna lay down on it. Center it for me. You kind of have to center it yourself. This is like a wheel, so it's a little different. And then you're gonna lean back. We're just gonna do it for a little bit. See that, how that middle back? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then you gotta open that shoulder. Be careful of the cabinet. Take your arms up and over like that. And just open up those pecs. Yeah, that's what you need to do. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to go up here. Eventually, you'll be like the yogis up here. But just for now, open up the pec.
Gotcha.
And you,
right there.
you can roll them around, whatever you want. But just, I know you're so sore. Okay, now how you're gonna get off of it? Hold on. It's okay. Head back. It's okay. We're just gonna do it. You're gonna do it my way, and then I don't care what you do at home. Roll to the side for me. That's the easiest way to get off of it.
Good night.
Yeah.
It feels great. It feels great.
You need, that will restore the posture.
I mean, it's pretty sandy here.